CDI. Wasn't non-turbo. No 2.5 litre. No. No. Not at these prices. No. No way. You got the tractor drive around, what do you have on the utility one? Heavy duty or the one beyond that? Electricity board or something. Thick as steel. Right, I'm going to go this way. As soon as I hear something about
yeah, send me a message. Yeah.
they usually have it first Sunday of September.
Right. Ah, well, I don't know exactly when yet. Early.
So if it's turn around, you can press independently.
Something he doesn't know about.
Right,
Do you like the handbrake, John?
Well, I was thinking, I used to drive an old 35.
See you, Mike. Ta-ra. See you, Mum. Ta-ra.
And I was just saying they used to have independent, the brakes, you could have press one brake on at a time.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Yeah. Which is pretty advanced in those days, I think.
No. Go back 10 years before this was built.
No, I'm sorry,
15 years.
Yeah, I was
my
on
little
old.
my little T20 over there, the grey one.
Yeah.
You didn't have the independent brakes there. You had a lever behind the heel on either side.
Yeah.
So it was independent brakes
it's still
in 1948.
Wow.
Yeah. Because if you're going up the field and you were spinning on the left-hand wheel, you tap the other brake to make that one jump. Make it jump.
Yeah, that's
you jump them
jumping.
both across. Yeah.
Yeah.
But nobody can understand the handbrake on this French one.
Oh, right.
It's there, look. Press that down.
Yeah.
Here's your handbrake on. Take your handbrake off, press. Logical.
Hey, so simple, isn't it?
It is.
So simple.
Yeah, this is a little French one, this is.
Now that doesn't make sense.
Yeah.